Just after I decided to start filming, it started raining. But yeah, we did it anyway. It is raining all around me. I can feel it. Yo, if you guys should like listen to the song. I hope this doesn't fuck my microphone up. This is the universe.
No, this is not
speaking,
normal.
man.
This somehow a boring Saturday because I don't feel like doing anything. So it's giving me boring Saturday vibes. That kind of feeling that you don't want to do anything. You just want to eat, watch movies, sleep, wake up. And you don't want to wake up because when you wake up you don't know what you are going to do. This is the vibes it's giving me today, but I want to film.
The rain was discouraging me not to film, but at this point, there was no going back in this.
So I want to speak in the rain. Like this is something I want to do. So let me just do it. But if you don't want to speak filming yet, to be like, what the fuck is wrong with this boy? Yo, let me just do it. So I found a better place to film in the rain. So I feel very happy when I see another creator or another content being filmed vulnerably. You understand? When the person is just himself, not trying to brand himself for any. I have to leave this rain. Yo, I couldn't. I couldn't. But let's just do it. Let's continue. I was saying, I feel very happy or very connected anytime someone does a vlog or a content and is 100% vulnerable in it. You get me? It's like the person is not trying to hide anything from anyone, and the person is actually doing what he or she actually wants to do. And it's so inspiring. It's very inspiring to me. But it's very hard also to just be yourself on camera. I'm not going to lie. Like, see, I just decided to film in the rain. But I've not reached that level where I can be like, yo, I'm fully going in. And I won't feel ashamed of even anyone watching around. That's the stage I want to get to. The rain is actually not down. It's still rain. No, this is not rain. This is drizzle. It's still drizzling. I think I'm done with my content. The rest. Fit check. So I got my creator cap on. Got my aim high mesh for creator. Got my black one on. Got my black one. Yo, you get me? Shamsi made it. I know ball, but every time I wear armless. Yes, armless is not for only the strong. Armless is not for only the people who go to gym. This is a quick review. This is a quick tip. Understand? Armless no be for only the people where they go gym. I beg you. The people where they see me, they see I don't get anything, but I still they wear armless. Yeah. It's not for only the people who go to gym, you understand? For anyone who is a creator. So I urge you buy crates and wear crates that support crate, because it's the next global thing. It's the next global clothing brand from Ghana, Accra, to the whole world.